Hi everyone, this is Bola Halabi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will like to talk about protesting your property value, especially if you are in the great state of Texas. Of course, you know already that the property tax that we pay in this state is quite high, and every year the county appraiser district they review the property value, and based on their review they can either appraise your property value higher, or sometimes they bring it lower depending on the state of the economy. Right now the economy is booming, property values are increasing, and the higher the property value, the more the tax that you are expected to pay on your property value, on your properties. Sorry. So what this means for you is that you want your property value, your appraised value, to be as low as possible. The reverse is the case when you are selling your property. Of course, you want to sell as high as possible. So today it's all about property tax, and especially since the deadline for filing the protest is approaching, I feel this is a very good time for you to get in and protest your property value. I just did mine and I did it successfully. So I want to help people that may not know about this so that you can protest your appraised value, and hopefully you will win and they will be able to drop your appraised value so that you can pay a lower tax on your property. So the deadline of course is May the 15th for you to file the protest, and the way it works is that every 1st of January of every new year, the county appraiser district they will go out, they will evaluate and assess all homes, and based on their assessment they will bring out they will be able to put a value on your property, and that's called the appraised value. So this year they sent out the appraised value report around April, and you have till May 15th to file a protest if you feel that your property was assessed a high value. So there are three approaches for filing a protest. The first one is through a third-party company. In the state of Texas, there is Texas Tax Protest Company that can help you to file this protest for a fee. All you need to do is to give them certain amounts and they will do the rest for you. That's easy. Just pay them and they'll file for you. But in the long run, you still come out better because they'll be able to save you much more than you paid them. The second approach is to use the iSettle, to go through the iSettle portal on the county appraiser district. I live in the Harris County district in Texas, so for us we need to go to www.hcad.org, or just put Harris County Appraiser District in Google and their website will pop up. So on their website, you go to from their homepage, go to online services. From online services, click on I file protest, and you'll be required to create a login. Once you log in and register, just go to iSettle. With iSettle, let's say they give you your property value of like $300,000, but if you think that your property is worth less than that, let's say you think it should be only $270,000, all you need to do is put that value and propose to the review board that you think, based on your judgment, that your property should only be worth $270,000. You should have some evidence, and the way to gather evidence is also you can gather evidence also on their website. And that was what I did. I went to their website, I looked at the property values of similar properties around my neighborhood. I downloaded all these values, I put them in an Excel file, and I uploaded that on their website just to show them that, hey, you guys are appraising my property higher than other comparable properties in the area. So if you do this, you submit it, about a week or so later, they will get back to you. And for me, they did it and they got back to me. I was successful. They brought down my property value. So the third approach is to what I call the DIY, do it yourself approach. Maybe I was a little bit lazy. I just used iSettle. I proposed something to them. They came back to me. They accepted my offer. With the DIY, you'll be expected to appear before the review board. And of course, also you should submit your evidence. And evidence may include the property values in your neighborhood. You can show them some evidence, maybe if your property, if there are damages or cracks on the wall on your property, if you show this to them, that because this will bring down your property values. So if you can show them those evidence, pack your evidence and you take it along with you on the day when you because they will invite you to a formal hearing, and you take all your evidence along. And on the day of formal hearing, you are going there just to protest. You are not going there to fight. So be respectful, be friendly, be courteous, and dress properly on that day. They express their opinion based on their estimates. You are not going to fight, so just let them know that based on your evidence you disagree with them. They are professionals and they will listen to you. So I think that's it. By the way, if you are a property owner in the state of Texas, make sure you are filing your Homestead Exemption every year. This will help to save like 20% of your property value each year. So make sure you file Homestead Exemption. And that's it. That's the information. Please, for this year 2019, you have to file your protest before May the 15th. Thank you. Bye.